I found this strategy very profitable from last 3 months. So in this video, I am going to share all the strategy, the results, and at the end, the exact same settings what I am using. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to TradingBotLab. I am your host Abdul. Simply let's move to my screen, and here you can see I have applied two indicators. The first indicator is KAMA. You can see here the name. Let me show you in the indicator section. So here you can see the first indicator on the main screen and this indicator. So here on the screen you can see here are some sell signals and some buy signals. So now I will explain you exactly what signals you need to follow and what you need to leave. So here the first sell signal, I will not open a sell trade because here the histogram is green, so I will not open a sell trade. To open a sell trade, here should be only red histogram, not a mix of red and green, only red histogram. And to open a buy trade, here must be only green histogram, not mix of green and red. So I will not open trade on the sell signal. Here is the next buy signal, and here again you can see, let me show you, you can see the red and green histogram, very small red bars. So I will not open a buy trade here on the next sell signal. Here is the green histogram, I will not open a sell, and here the buy signal. Finally I got a buy trade where only green histogram and there is no red, so I will open a buy trade here exactly on the closing of this candle. Here the SL will be at the low of the loss swing low, which can be like this one, and the TP will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio, which is almost here, and I make profit from this buy trade. Let's move forward to the next signal. Here is the sell. I will open this sell trade because here is only sell histogram, not green, so I will open a sell trade here exactly the closing of the candle where it gives a sell signal. No matter it's a bullish or bearish candle, I will open a trade on all signals. So I will set the SL at the last swing high, which is here, and the TP will be at 1.5 risk to reward ratio, and here this trade was closed in the profit. I hope you understand the strategy. So now let's start the backtest process. The backtest process is completed, and here you can see the first trade it opened on the October 29, 2025, and the last trade it opened on the February 6, 2026. These are more than 3 months, and in this period it opened 101 trade with a win ratio of 50.5% with a risk to reward ratio of 1.5. Total net profit is here, the max drawdown and all other values you can see here, and here below the equity curve is nicely going upward, but here from 23 December 2025 to almost like January 28, in this period it stays in a range, but again now it start making profit. But overall we are making almost 9% every month consistently with the very low drawdown of just $70. And here below the profit and loss distribution, and here the win and loss by direction like buy and sell side, win and loss ratio. Now let's move to the final part of this video where I will show you the exact settings what I am using. The indicator on the main chart, the chart name is KAMA. The settings are here, so you need to apply the H plus L by 2 and 55 for the fast, the slow 134, and for the histogram the settings are default setting. You no need to change any settings. I hope this video saved you a lot of time and effort, so don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.